transportation is possible on the Mississippi. To develop leadership, one must demonstrate responsibility in the United States government. The president is elected by the people. Mysterious Doctor translate a magnificent novel to the English vocabulary. The Mississippi River is a wonderful means of transportation. The president demonstrates the spirit of patriotism on Independence Day. The manufacturer gave attention to the workmanship when judging television sets. Inspiration.
Go ahead.
I do not know these.
Yes, you do. Say it again. Inspiration.
Inspiration of the composer was demonstrated in his magnificent
Composition. You did it. Good job.